Well, God, did I do something to piss you off? Because it sure feels like it. Every single thing I enjoy in this life seems to have been taken from me. Anything that brings me any joy, any peace, any happiness, any health, any wisdom, any love, all of it seems to be taken. And maybe it's not just me. Maybe this is happening to everybody. Maybe I am a narcissist myself for thinking that it's me, but it sure feels like it's me. They have completely destroyed the hot springs. I guess there's a little bit of water flowing out in a few spots, but those who did this are going to pay, whether it's karmically, legally, or whatever. They're going to pay. At the very least, they're going to pay through a big lawsuit, and hopefully by losing their jobs. I should have been down here when they were destroying it. I would have made them arrest me.